Million-dollar HDB flats have become a hot topic recently, with prices in places like Punggol, Yishun, and Bishan reaching record highs. Many people question whether it's wise to invest in these expensive flats, with some predicting that future resale values might plummet. There's also concern about how future generations will afford such housing. Let's explore where these million-dollar HDB flats are and if they're really worth the investment. As of early 2024, there are 257 HDB flats in Singapore, priced at $1 million or more, with significant concentrations in areas like Toa Payoh, Kallang, Whampoa, and Bukit Merah. These flats are typically located in desirable locations, near the city, good schools, and amenities, making them attractive to buyers. A deeper look into the data reveals that many of these million-dollar flats are larger, older units like executive flats or jumbo flats, valued for their spaciousness and scarcity. In Toa Payoh, for instance, some of these flats are less than 25 years old, with layouts that are both practical and generous in size, ranging from 100 to 2,300 square feet. Flats in Toa Payoh Crest are particularly noteworthy, located near MRT stations, markets, and top schools, making them highly sought after despite their high price tags. Critics might argue that buyers of such expensive HDB flats are bound to lose money. However, history shows otherwise. 15 years ago, people were shocked when HDB flats were sold for $500,000, yet those prices have only risen with increasing household incomes. Moreover, these HDB flats offer benefits like low maintenance fees and lower property taxes, which add to their appeal. When comparing with private condos, the cost of these million-dollar HDB flats appears more reasonable. For instance, a similar-sized new-launch condo could cost twice as much, making the HDB option relatively affordable for those looking to upgrade from smaller flats. As more HDB flats meet their minimum occupation period, MOP, their prices are expected to continue climbing. If a 10-year-old flat sells for $1 million, a newly MOP flat might fetch even more. Thus, the upward trend in prices is likely to persist unless the government steps in to curb it. To conclude, million-dollar HDB flats are not just a passing trend, but a reflection of the growing value and standards of public housing in Singapore. Whether or not they're worth the investment depends on individual circumstances, but one thing is clear: these flats are here to stay, and their prices are likely to keep rising in the coming years.